Getting monetized on YouTube has become so easy. It's not something you keep begging people to subscribe to your channel or to have a strong way to get your 4,000 watch hours to monetize your channel. We all know for you to be able to monetize on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the process I took before I was able to monetize my channel. All you need to do is to follow simple process, which I'm going to show you on this video. If you follow this simple process, you are going to get your channel monetized very, very soon, because this is a proven strategy. A lot of big creators use it to monetize their channel. It's not easy for a small YouTuber to create content and people sit down and watch your content. It's not easy. So this one, it's not bots like ads that you do. You're just going to use app that is proven to get this 1,000, to get this your 4,000 watch hour and monetize your channel. If you make any mistake, this can get your channel into trouble. You can get strike if you make any mistake. So follow this video step by step, because I'm going to show you everything that I did to be able to get my 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Let's dive straight to the video. So go to your Chrome or Safari, anyone you have, you download this Prison Live. So when you go to Chrome, let me go and type it, Prison Live. So go to Chrome, type Prison Live, search. So you see the logo here. This is it, and this is it. Let me click here. So what happened is that, because I have it already, I'll just click open. Once it's open, it's going to bring you to this. Once you open, you see this interface like this. So it says continue with Facebook, continue with Google. So we are going to go with Google. It says allow, it says continue. So next thing is, let's allow it to load. So as it loads, this is the email, the Gmails I have here. So you click the Gmail that is connected to your YouTube. So you come to this place. Okay, click continue. So as it is, let me remove the ad. You sweep like this, drag this thing like this. You see media, you see playlist, you see text, you see widgets. So please, the video you take here, you can go to Instagram and go and take a video, a very catchy video that nobody can scroll past, a very attractive video. You go to Instagram, you can watch this video here. You know how to copy from Instagram. You can use Insta Saver to copy from Instagram, or you copy from TikTok. So you can use a TikTok Saver to copy from TikTok. So you take a very catchy video. Then when you take it, you will now go to CapCut. If that video have sound, please, you go to CapCut, go and remove the sound of that video. If possible, reduce the video a bit. If you copy a video that has, let's say, from 3 minutes to 5 minutes video, so when you copy it, you can reduce it a bit. Then you can even add your face if possible. You add your face to it, or you can even talk on the video, but remove the sound on that video so that you not get copyright on your video. So you remove the sound. So what you do is that you come to this place and click here. Once you click here, you go to video. So if you go to video, I would have shown you how to do that, but this video, I don't want it to be too long. So what I'll do is I'll go to video. So I'll go and pick the catchy video that I want to use. So I will look for it. That video, you already edit it, everything, export it to your gallery. So you just come to this place and pick the video. Let me just pick any video at all. So just pick the video. Let's say I pick this one. So you go back, the video has appeared here. What you do is that you click on it. You come to this place. If you look at this place, it has this very thing here. You make it big. So this place, you can see this place is volume. If possible, don't give the video sound, or you can talk inside. If you cannot talk inside, don't give the video sound so that you will not get copyright. So the next thing you do is that you click this arrow here. This arrow will help you loop the video loop the video again and again and again. So you come to this is ready. Once you click on this ready, you see the apps that you can work with. This is Facebook, we have Instagram here, all these apps you can work with. What you do is that you click on YouTube, because you're working on YouTube. You come to this place, say YouTube custom RTMP, so you click there. Once you click there, you will see this very corner is empty. It's empty because I switch accounts. This is not the channel I used to use it. So this is empty here. What you do is that you go straight to your Chrome version. You go straight to your Chrome version to go and get the URL you want to use. So you come to this place, you type, so I click here. So this is my YouTube studio. What I will do is that I'll come to this place. Let me zoom it a little bit. You come to this middle here. You click on this eye, something like eye, the middle there. So once you come to this side, it's going to tell you to go live. Restream. Once you click on that restream, it's going to tell you to go live. So you drag like this. You click on this place, it said the string key default. You click here, it said copy. Once you copy, you come to this side and paste it. So you have paste it. The string key that has paste, so you save it. So once you save it, your channel, it has appeared. You can see that the thing have appeared. So next thing you click is you click go live. So please check on go live. Okay, the button on YouTube. Okay. So you are going to watch it count down. It's counting down. Once it's count down, so maybe it counts down, please you put your play. So if you just click play, so that people will be seeing the video. As you can see, is pause. Just click play. To start playing. So this video will be playing again and again and again. Remember, we loop it. It will be playing again and again and again. Keep watching it. So this is it. This will help you to get your 4,000 watch hours. Thank you so much. Like, so that you see the process, it's not difficult. All you need to do is to make sure that you follow the thing step by step. Because after I finished the live, my subscribers was heading about 6,000 subscribers. I did not monetize with 1,000 subscribers. I monetized with 6,000 plus subscribers, because the live was just not giving me only the watch hour. It was also giving me subscribers upon subscribers. So, and with this, I was able to monetize my channel. So with YouTube is that if you want to really make it here on YouTube, you need to keep doubt outside. Yes, you need to put doubt one side. You just really need to forget doubt and just focus, keep pushing. So if you find value on this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you need any YouTube practical growth advice, please subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.